Welcome back, viewers. Today we're going to be diving into the real estate market of 2025. With various economic indicators and experts showing that we probably will actually see growth in 2025, I'm here to kind of break it down and explain it all to you. Some of the questions you guys may have is now the time to buy? Is it a good time to put in some investment properties? Is it a good time if you're a first-time home buyer? Stick around while I break down everything in detail with all the key factors on how you can stay ahead in the real estate market in 2025. So, will home prices go up or go down? Well, I'm here to say that they'll probably go up. According to CoreLogic, home prices are anticipated to rise by 4.1% in 2025. The steady appreciation really shows a healthy real estate market across the nation. Similarly, Warren Buffett shows a 3.7% increase in real estate prices across the nation. This projection underscores an underlying confidence in the real estate market moving forward. Historically, moderate price appreciation shows a great time to buy as a homeowner or any investor. Now, if you're considering buying in 2025, you may want to buy sooner than later because, again, prices are rising at the moment. But if you're a seller, it might be a good time to wait just a few months and sell a few months later to try to get the best money for your value. Another key factor of the housing market is housing inventory. So how many houses are coming on the market every day? This has been a challenge throughout the year, but with Realtor.com, they are predicting an 11.7% increase on houses coming on the market this year. We are starting to see more of a neutral market kind of appear and actually start swinging towards the buyer's market. In the recent years, it's been a seller's market with prices just going super high. There's bidding wars, and that's going to start coming down. We're not going to see as many bidding wars as there's more houses on the market. Maybe eventually there'll be a lot more inventory than actual people buying houses. Now, of course, if you live in a metropolitan area where there's a ton of houses, a lot of people are moving in, such as DFW, Austin. I live in Texas, so those are the two main ones that I know of. Any big city, you're not gonna have to worry about that. There are a lot more people coming in and looking for houses than inventory in the cities. Meaning if you are a seller, your house will still sell just as quickly as they have been. Now, let's talk mortgage rates. One of the biggest factors influencing the market in 2023 and 2024, we saw mortgage rates fluctuate, reaching over 7% at times, sometimes even higher. Now, experts predict that the rates will stabilize around 6.5% in 2025, making it easier for buyers to budget their monthly payments. Why is this important? Well, lower interest rates stabilize affordable mortgage payments, which directly affects home affordability. First-time home buyers who were a little more hesitant about the interest rates, in 2025, if we see them decline, is a great opportunity to go ahead and make that first purchase. So let me ask you, do you think a 6.5 mortgage rate is in our best interest? I know we had a very fortunate time with low 3s, low 4 interest rate for many, many years, and we saw it skyrocket up to 7 or 8 like we talked about earlier. So do you think 6.5 is kind of the middle ground where we should be? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Not all markets will experience growth equally. Some cities are expected to see growth and some cities aren't, but across the nation, we still are. Buffalo, New York, poised to be one of the hottest markets thanks for its affordability and job market growth. Indianapolis, known for the long, strong economic and relatively low cost of living, making it attractive for buyers. Rhode Island, a great tech industry and is fueling demand for housing markets. We already kind of talked about Austin. It's going to be a great area, still experiencing high demand due to job opportunities, tax benefits, and warmer weather. And you can also loop in Florida to this. So are you planning to move in 2025? And if so, where? Let me know in the comments below. A big reason to stay optimistic about 2025's real estate market is the opportunity of job growth throughout the United States. Right now, we are still seeing a strong job opportunities in the United States, and we're expecting that to stay strong during the current president's term. Additionally, policymakers are taking steps to make home ownership more accessible. Some government initiatives aim to reduce housing regulations to slow down construction, free up federal land for new housing developments, and expand first-time homebuyer programs, making it easier for the younger generations to enter the market. These factors will help fuel demand and keep the housing market to an upward trajectory. For real estate investors in 2025 could present incredible opportunities with home prices rising steadily but not surging uncontrollably. Buying rental properties could yield a long-term value and solid returns like we've seen throughout the history of the United States. Short-term rentals, Airbnb, VRBO, are still in demand, particularly in tourist-friendly areas. Multifamily housing investments are becoming more attractive as demand and rents remain strong and increasing throughout the years. Fix and flip opportunities will be more profitable in an area with undervalued homes and increasing demand. Would you rather invest in a rental property or a home for yourself? Let me know. So what does all of this mean? Well, in 2025, it should be a strong year for the housing market, with rising home values, more inventory, stable mortgage rates, and an economic support driving demand, whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor. If you're thinking about buying, consider acting sooner rather than later to take advantages of the prices now before the end of the year. What do you think? Do you think these trends are on par with what you're seeing in your area, or are you seeing different trends in your area? Let me know. I would love to hear the feedback. Let me know what you think about this video. I would love to go more in depth about anything, so leave a comment below about what you want me to talk about next. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time.